Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make stuffed blackened salmon. We're going to start off by seasoning it with Cajun seasoning, which is one of my favorites, which you would see me use all the time in my videos, like most of the time. Garlic powder. I'll sprinkle a little of that on each one. And we're going to use some onion powder. And these three seasonings right here are like some of my favorite seasonings. Now we're going to put some black pepper on there. And after putting black pepper on there, we're going to put a slit into the salmon. And this is how you're going to stuff the salmon. And you don't want to slit it like all the way through, just a little slit. Just enough so you can stuff it. Now we're going to add some lemon. I just used a half of a lemon that I already had. Oops, sorry about the seeds. Squeeze it on the salmon. And then we're going to massage the seasoning inside the salmon and around the salmon. I will be stuffing the salmon with a creamy Cajun seafood mac and cheese, which I made in a previous video. I will put the link down below so you guys can see that recipe. Now in a medium saucepan, we're going to heat up some oil on medium heat. Add our salmon in there, skin side down first. We're going to cook it for 5 to 6 minutes on that side. And then once it finished cooking on that side, we're going to flip it over and let it cook for an additional 10 minutes. For this piece here, since it's thicker, we're going to cook it for 10 minutes or maybe 12. If you have thinner pieces, then it's going to be 5 to 6 minutes. Now here's this awesome, delicious stuffed blackened salmon.